Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So can we just take a moment to appreciate my butterfly walls over here? Oh my god, I'm obsessed with my new background, and basically today's video was going to be all about this background. So I sort of a DIY butterfly wall, how to do it and all that stuff, but I got too much excited, so for the most part I've done it at night, literally 2 a.m. and I didn't film myself doing that. And I also realized that I have other random footage, starting with me packing at home and finishing with me unpacking my parcel when he decided to arrive finally. So I thought that for today's video I might as well be here, talk you guys through all this different footage that I have, and I actually love when Aspinova does that with her vlogs, so I thought that I would just take inspiration from her. And yeah, let's just start with a flashback of me at home packing my clothes. So I really decided which shoes I'm going to bring as well as which bags, as you can probably tell. And now it's time for my sweaters as well as my t-shirt and stuff. So yeah, let's just go ahead and do that. So you will came. Those are definitely coming. So I did take out quite a few sweaters and just like jumpers and stuff. And this is basically what I got left, and I just don't know if I should bring more or not. So it's kind of hard. I feel like I'm going to do a pile of stuff that like I'm not gonna bring, and then a pile of stuff that I maybe will bring, but those will stay like here because I'm really not sure actually. And then we need to go through all of these clothes right here, so bear with me because that would be a hard job. God, I really miss my wardrobe at home, and I'm just so sad that most of my clothes are there, but at the same time I don't think I would actually have the space to fit them in here because like the wardrobe here is so freaking tiny, and I feel like now I have sort of minimal wardrobe. But anyway, talking about the wardrobe, I actually got 3 things from Amazon, and I'm just basically gonna quickly show you guys what I got. So first thing, let's start with those 2 different type of hangers. So I got these for like my skirts or like trousers, jeans, everything like that, or also like my coats because I thought these were like more strong, let's say. And then I got these for like t-shirts or like, I don't know, jumpers, any of that stuff. So I got different type of hangers. And then the next thing that I got from Amazon is this one here. And basically, before I came into this room, I already knew how I wanted to decorate it, long story short. So I feel like I'm just gonna insert also the mood board that I did for this room. And the plan for this box right here, which actually were like, I think it was a set of 8 box, if I'm not wrong. Or maybe they could be in 6, I'm not really sure. But this is how it looked like when you open it. So it's pretty huge box, it's perfect for like storage or any of that stuff. And I wanted to put those box over my wardrobe, but then I realized that the bits there was like really tiny, and there was like no way that this box was going to fit in there. We actually managed to make them look super cute in another spot, but you guys need to stay tuned for the room tour because I'm gonna show you guys everything in there. And I think now we should just jump into the footage that I have of me putting the clothes on the hangers and then on the wardrobe. Yeah, I know that was actually a very short footage, but at least I hope you guys found it any sort of satisfying. And I did actually color coordinate my clothes afterwards, but like I said, you need to stay tuned for the room tour to see how it looks complete. So I would say this video is kind of a pre-room tour, if this makes sense. And I actually forgot to show you guys how my room was at the beginning, so when I first came in, so insert footage of that. But yeah, basically this room is not that big, but at the same time I don't feel like it's that small either. It's kind of on the average side, and I'm really happy about how I managed to, you know, decorate it and all that stuff, because I think it's cute, but at the same time I have enough storage, if this makes sense. And talking about storage, which is not really storage, but well, you're just about to see some footage of me unpacking my parcel when it finally decided to arrive, because if you guys saw my video where I talk about the fact that I moved to London, you would know that I had this huge package that I thought it was lost, and then it decided to finally arrive here. So yeah, let's just see me unboxing it and being very excited because I finally have my over-the-knees boots back. The package is actually there, and I don't know, should we open that on camera? Should we not? I think we should. So I don't really know if I'm in the frame right now, but basically my parcel finally decided to come, and so I thought that I might as well unboxing it. Like, can we literally think about the fact that I did buy all new bedding all over again because I thought that this was lost, and now I have 2 pillows to sleep with. Well, I'm not complaining for the 2 pillows, but I'm definitely gonna make a tea with this because I can't deal their tea, and this is legitimately the best thing ever. Oh my god, look at these. All my clothes, all again. It's just perfect. Look at that. So this is literally the aftermath, everything that I had inside of that. Alright, so we made some progress. I just put here all the kitchen bits, and then here's like my tea and stuff, my socks. But it's still like really a mess, and yeah. And then finally, let's talk about the most exciting part, which is this butterfly wall. So I wanted to do something cool with the background, and I was always obsessed with butterflies. And if you guys saw my last video, like the Shein home haul, you would know that I bought 4 different packs of butterfly, and I actually talk about in the video the fact that I wanted to do this sort of huge project as a background. And basically this is actually the final result. So I got this flower fairy lights from Primark for £5, and yes, I have a Primark haul coming soon, so just stay tuned for that as well. And I decided just to put it on this side of the wall to kind of mark the different colors of the wall, so the gray wall and the white one. And then I just decided to basically play with the different butterflies that I had. So since I had 4 packs, I had a lot of butterflies to choose from. I did end up using the gold one on this side of the wall, but in the room tour you will see that I actually used the gold butterfly but for another part of my room. And basically what I did was literally just select different butterflies that I liked and then make sure that they are popping out, which is simply I don't really know to describe it, but you guys will see that in the footage, so it's super easy. Make sure they're popping out and ready to fly basically, and then I just arrange them on the wall. And this Shein packs comes already with some adhesive part you just pop on the butterflies and then stick on the wall, so it was really super easy to do, and honestly I'm really obsessed with the result. Also on this part right here I actually add some white piece of paper because I didn't like the flag to show up, so I just put this piece of paper and then I put the butterfly over them, and I think it looks so pretty. So yeah, I feel like that's pretty much it for the butterfly wall as well. I'm sorry that I didn't manage to actually film an whole video about that, but you guys know me. When I have to do something like a DIY or whatever, just go too much excited and then basically I just do that off camera. I really hope you got the idea of how to do it, because it's super easy, it's super simple, and you should totally try to do it. It looks amazing, and I think it's also perfect for like a dorm room if you want to make it look cozier or like more homey and you love butterflies. But yeah, enough for me talking. This is going to be it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoy it. If you did, of course, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Tell me in the comments below what do you think. And other than that, subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!